Hey, what's up guys? So OnePlus has finally launched its premium mid-range phone after the much created hype OnePlus Nord, and now it's available for a price tag of Rs 28,000 for 8GB 128GB variant and 30,000 for 12GB 256GB variant. There's also a base variant with 4GB and 64GB storage for Rs 25,000, but that will be available by mid of September. And if you are planning to buy OnePlus Nord, then you should definitely watch the full video, as this may help you to make the right choice. In this video, we will do an unboxing and in-depth review of the retail unit of OnePlus Nord. We'll test out its PUBG gaming and camera performance, mention its pros and cons, and will finally suggest you whether you should buy OnePlus Nord or not. OnePlus has really shaken the premium mid-ranger category with its newest offering, the OnePlus Nord. We have already uploaded OnePlus Nord speed test with Oppo Reno 4 Pro. You can watch the video by clicking on the card on the top right corner. So first, let's start with the unboxing. This is the retail box of OnePlus Nord. On the front, there is the Nord name written in big and the OnePlus logo. At the back, there are some manufacturing details. My unit is the 8GB 128GB variant in marble blue color. OnePlus is written on both the sides of the box with a thin blue line running across the box. At the top is our OnePlus Nord in the marble blue color. Let's keep it aside for the time being. Then below the tray, we have another box. Beneath that, there is the OnePlus Red Type-C cable and the 30W WAP fast charger, which can charge your OnePlus to 70% in just 30 minutes. So that's really quick. Inside the black box is the OnePlus Nord welcome letter. There's a SIM ejector tool. On the top in the box is the OnePlus Nord stickers, quick startup guide, and the OnePlus Red Cable Club card. You also get this silicone cover, which has a part transparent, part textured finish. Quality is decent and is better than what you get from the online sites. On the front of the cover, it's written "This way Nord." Let's quickly remove the cover and check out our OnePlus Nord, which is in the marble blue color. This one really looks premium with front and back glass body and Gorilla Glass 5 protection at the front and the back. I'll skip the first boot and the setup process. Finally, the device setup has been completed and the phone has booted up for the first time. So first, let's check out what's good about OnePlus Nord. This phone is running on Android 10 with latest Oxygen OS 10.5, and Oxygen OS is one of the best custom OS based on Android, as it's nearly stock Android. And one thing I like about Oxygen OS is that it doesn't come with much bloatware apps like other phones in this price segment. OnePlus Nord can handle any task like a breeze, and there's no lag or slowdown. And since it has a 4115 mAh battery, Nord can easily last for a day with normal usage on single charge. It also supports fast charging and comes with a 30W WAP charger out of the box, which can charge your device from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. Social media apps like Snapchat and Instagram works flawlessly. The filters load quickly, there isn't any lag or anything. And since OnePlus Nord has a 32 megapixel selfie camera, so photos on Snapchat will be amazing. Same goes with Instagram. Instagram works without any issue, there's no frame drop or lag while scrolling through pages, and since it has a 90Hz refresh rate, the scrolling and swiping looks buttery smooth and amazing. Design wise, the phone looks premium with dual punch hole display and front and back glass body and shiny back finish. The phone is available in grey onyx and this blue marble color, which is my personal favorite. At the bottom is the mic, Type-C USB port, SIM card tray and speaker grill. The lock and the famous OnePlus slider, which you can use for changing alert modes, are on the right side. The volume buttons are on the left side. At the back is a quad camera setup with dual LED flash. At the front is the dual punch hole selfie camera and earpiece. OnePlus Nord is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset with an octa-core processor and Adreno 620 GPU. It comes with 3 storage and RAM options, 4GB with 64GB storage, 8GB with 128GB storage and 12GB with 256GB storage. The RAM used on this phone is LPDDR4 with UFS 2.1 storage, so that's a really good advantage. Snapdragon 765G is a really good processor for gaming and it's also 5G ready. You can play games on this phone without any issue, there's no lag or frame drops and the games run on decent graphics. Same goes with PUBG. If you want Ultra FPS, then you can go to smooth mode and then select Ultra FPS. HD mode is supported with high FPS, but sadly there's no HDR support. The game runs smoothly and you can see there is no lag at all. The graphics look good, there is no stuttering or graphic loading issue of objects that are far away. You will not regret if you buy this phone for gaming purpose since it has a 180Hz touch sampling rate, so touch sensitivity while gaming is just phenomenal. One thing I like about OnePlus Nord is that it doesn't heat up while gaming. Now talking about the camera, OnePlus Nord has a quad camera setup, a 48 megapixel f1.8 aperture camera with face detection autofocus and optical image stabilizer, a 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture ultra wide angle camera, a 5 megapixel f2.4 aperture depth camera, and a 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture macro camera. There are many features in the stock camera app like ultra wide angle, macro mode, portrait, night mode, pro mode, HDR, live filters, ultra steady video, beauty mode, time lapse and panorama. You can shoot 4K videos up to 30 fps and 240 fps slow motion videos. At the front is a dual camera setup, a 32 megapixel f2.5 aperture wide angle and the 8 megapixel f2.5 aperture ultra wide angle camera. You can shoot 4K videos up to 60 fps. You also get portrait mode and beauty mode in the front camera as well. So let's check out some camera samples. OnePlus Nord has a really good camera setup. Daytime pictures look good, colors are saturated, there are loads of details in the photos, and the ultra wide angle mode is also useful for capturing some good shots. If you want to see a full detailed camera comparison of OnePlus Nord, you can watch it by clicking on the card on the top right corner. Portrait photos look great. There's no edge detection issue whether it's a human portrait or portrait of an object. HDR in normal sunlight works without any issue, and even under direct sunlight, although the sun area slightly gets overexposed, the details in the foreground are well maintained. Indoor shots in artificial lighting conditions are nice. The low light performance is decent, and even in extremely dark conditions, the night mode can help you to capture some good shots. Selfies look good, the ultra wide lens can be helpful, the portrait mode and HDR works well in the front camera as well. Indoor selfies are just decent. For security, it comes with in-display fingerprint scanner which is quite fast and secure. It also has face unlock which is quite fast as you can see on the screen. OnePlus Nord has a 6.44-inch Fluid AMOLED display with 1080 by 2400 resolution and 408 ppi density. It is also HDR10 Plus compliant and has a 90Hz refresh rate. Since it's an AMOLED display, the colors are saturated, the display is quite sharp and has an amazing contrast ratio. The viewing angle is also great by the way. So that was all about OnePlus Nord. This phone is really a value for money device as it has a powerful Snapdragon 765G processor. You can play high-end games with ease. It can easily last for a day with normal usage on single charge and is currently the cheapest 5G phone available in India. And adding to the value for money package, you can get 10% instant discount on HDFC Bank cards till 11th August at Reliance Digital Stores, and OnePlus Nord will be exclusively available at Reliance Store till 10th of August. You can get up to Rs 6,000 cashback on Jio recharges and partner coupons as well. So head on to the nearest Reliance Digital Store now to avail the offers. Please let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts about OnePlus Nord. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. Also don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates on our new video uploads. Also follow me on Instagram on techbuzz.insta page and techbuzz Facebook page. We will be back with another video soon. Till then, stay tuned.